I just started learning Python, and for the next 50 days, I'll be solving 50 LeetCode problems. I'll get 30 minutes each problem, and at the end of each video, I'll be scoring myself on my personal scoreboard of shape. Hey, welcome to day 11. Today's problem is reverse string, problem number 344. Let's start our timer and give our problem a read. The problem is quite simple. We're gonna be given a array of characters, and what we have to do is just reverse the string. So if we are gonna be given hello, but we are gonna be given as characters in an array, we have to switch it in a reverse order, so it will become OLLEH. The answer seems straightforward. We are just gonna be using 2 pointers here and here. This will switch here and here, then the pointer will go here, this one will go here, then this will switch this one with this. We will do it until till L is equal to or less than R. Seems quite simple. Let's start coding. So I tried to run a test on what the code is. It seems like it's working, so let's try to submit our code. Let's see if it works. The test cases are passing, so let's submit our code and see if it works. It works. It was quite easy. It is 0ms, and this one was quite easy. Let's see some other people's answer. They're using a for loop here for the range, length, temporary, s of I becomes length minus 1 becomes temp. Makes sense, but ours is better. So let's mark ourselves on our sheet. Took me 8 minutes. I think it is the fastest one yet I have ever done. 0ms. It was quite good, or like quite simple. Tomorrow we will be doing reverse vowels of a string. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.